crafty friends and creators from around the globe. Welcome to Hither and Yon Studio. If you've been here before, welcome back. And it's April. Happy April. It's April Fool's Day, but there's no April Fooling going on here. We are actually kicking off April with a brand new kit, and I'm going to be so happy this month. I've been doing all this pink and lavender, and it's been wonderful, but I'm ready for some grunginess. So that's what we have this month. So this month, we are going to do something a little different. It's not going to be a traditional kit like I've been giving you, though you could use these pages in that way. So I'll leave that up to you. We're going to make a mixed media art concertina accordion style book. And I can't wait to play. So what I'm giving you this month are all the components, well, not all the components, but a lot of the components that you can use to kind of build out some pages. So they're going to be very grungy, very industrial-esque, lots of shapes and abstract things, weird pictures and stuff like that. Lots of things that I would love to have in my grungy art journal. So that's what I'm bringing to you. You can use what you already have on hand as well. We're going to be doing a number of techniques throughout the month of April. And we're going to use mixed media techniques. We're just going to use some very simple layered techniques. So I want to make this available to beginners and people who are a little more advanced, probably more advanced than me. So I'm going to be learning as I go too. With some of these techniques. But anyway, that's what we're doing this month. And this kit is free throughout the month of April. So if you go to the description box under this video, you'll see the title, you'll see a short description, and then you see more or see more. And if you click on that, it opens a description box and the link to get your free kit is in there. So let me go through it. We have I think it's 10 pages of half sheet pages. Now, we're going to tear these up and use them in different ways, but you could certainly just fold these in half and print on double side and make these into a traditional journal and then play along that way. It's absolutely fine for you to do that. Go ahead, use them as you want. It's a free kit. You can do what you want. You just can't sell them because the freebies are for personal use only. All right, so let's go through these pages. These are the half pages. So there's like an apocalyptic kind of urban decay, geometry, and grids. You'll see a lot of grids. I found a lot of graphs that were really cool. Sketching and just weirdness. So these are the double pages. You can kind of see that distinct line down the middle. This one I actually cut in half again because I wanted to get both of these on here. I love this. It's a little creepy. It's a little, like I said, apocalyptic. Love the crow. A little weird. A little weirdness going on. A lot of abandoned stuff. A lot of lost memories type of stuff. This is right up my alley. So little peek inside DJ's brain. So we've got some feathers and some kind of eco-dyed-esque pages. Okay, so those are the half pages. And then we have these full pages. And as you can see, that theme's kind of carrying through, as well as the colors. And my hope is that we can tear different pieces of this off and use them in different ways. I printed mine on an inkjet. I'm probably going to go back and print some like this on vellum or tracing paper as well, because I just think it'd be very cool. Some more sketchiness. So we get a lot of rust and black and gray and things like that. And then we have some bits of ephemera to kind of cut out or tear out and use on the pages. We'll be doing a lot of layering, and I'll give you some tips on some other things that you can add as we go. Lots of numbers and alphabets, graphs. I fell in love with graphs doing this one. I found some really cool graphs. So there's an entire page of them just because they were all so neat. some old photos. Just lots of little bits that I thought would be great to kind of peek through, gesso over, add stenciling over, things like that. Just a little bit of weirdness. Oh, I think this is a double page. Maybe. I don't know if I showed you this, but anyway, I think I did. And then this is that page of graphs. It's just graphical elements from various graphs I found from an old book. And some of the details were not appropriate in our day and age, but the pictures were really cool. The graphs were really cool. So that's what we have this month. I hope that you will enjoy and play along. And you can play along in your own way. You can play with the concertina or accordion book that we'll be making. Or, like I said, you could just fold these in half and make a traditional journal and play in that. It's completely up to you, but it is completely free. So get it while you can. All the details are in the description box below. And I will see you soon in these super fun craft alongs. See you soon. Bye.